It is Father's Day and I did 2 fun activities. Do you want to do it? Then come with me. Bye.
So the first activity is rolling. You're the best pop. We need 3 sheets of paper, glue, colored marker. Take a sheet of paper and make a cutout for the popcorn packet. We used red. Now for popcorn, we randomly cut shapes of a yellow sheet. You can ask your children to use the scissors to practice scissor cutting, or you can do it for the little ones. Ask your child to glue the dot and stick this popcorn sheet on a large white paper. While making a lovely card for our daddies, we did a little bit of fine motor activity. That is rolling the paper, crumpling it. This crumpling activity is great for developing your hand muscles. And here we are, making some popcorns. Now let's start putting some glue on the popcorns and pasting it on the white sheet. We made it a little fun. We took some googly eyes and stuck them on the sheet. And give a nice smiley face for our darling dads. Let's top it off with a cute message. You can ask your little one to write, or you can help them with this. Here we are. Happy Father's Day. Let's have a look at the next activity. We made handprint keychains. Let's have a look at the supplies. We took some colored sheets, a piece of wool, and we got started. On the colored sheet, trace your child's hand. Place the palm on a paper and trace your child's hand. Just like this, trace it on different colored sheets. Draw over the outlines with a colored marker. Let's cut out the shape. Now punch holes on the cutouts to put a key ring. You can ask your little one to thread the hole, or you can do it for them. Take a colored piece of sheet and leave a message. Like we said, let me give you a hand, Dad. Happy Father's Day. This was the cutest keychain. We put in our dad's keys and placed it in its place. Happy Father's Day!
Thank you so much for visiting our channel. I hope these activities help you make learning fun for your little ones. Please subscribe for weekly updates. You can also find me on Instagram. Please follow the links below.